If you are interested to know how to be a professional MC, how to get into this field, well, this video is for you. I have been an MC since 1994, and I'm also an event planner, a full-time work that I have been doing since mid-2000. You're watching MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna. So, this video will share tips for you who want to get scouted as MC by event planners. I have managed numerous events for government and also mostly for private companies. With my team, we design and produce the events to suit the client objectives. We also scout talents who will be suitable to the event that we produce. Sometimes I will be the MC, but most of the time I will be behind the stage. So we need to scout MC for that event. We have to offer selections of MC to our clients, and we will let the client choose at the end. But of course, our selections must be good, and the selections also must show that we understand the event that we are designing and producing for them. Sometimes the events will require big names as MC, but in other time the client doesn't need big names but good MC to host their event. So how do we find our selections? Let me tell you, even if you are not a professional MC yet, you need to have a video profile to show how and what you are, how you perform as MC, and what is your style. So that is the first thing we look at when we scout for MC. We will search on social media, on websites. So that's why you need to have your video posted everywhere. Websites, social media, make sure it is search friendly. Other way is post them, and then you can send the links to event planners or event companies or talent agencies. Photos, that must be the question. Yes, it is important, but it's not the most important thing. Photos, they will show how you look, but photos don't show how you deliver an event. So to be considered as MC, you need to have a video. What if you're totally new? You don't have any gigs yet. You have never been engaged as an MC. So the answer is make a profile video. In that profile video, of course you will speak. Of course you will announce something. You will show your way of delivering an event. Be creative in creating the content. Definitely, this will show your style and your personality. And then put them on social media, upload them on YouTube, make them spread, make everyone knows about you. So remember, the point is event planners need to see your talent, not just your photos, not just how good looking you are, but how good you can deliver the event. I mentioned about style. That is also important. Show your style, show your personality. But the question is again, what kind of style that you want to present to the world, to the event world, to the event planners? What kind of personality that you want to portray? What kind of MC, what clientele you are looking at? These questions must be answered honestly. As an MC, our style is like our brand. It must also suit our personality. Our sincerity will be shown on stage. You cannot cover them all up in every event. Do your research and also find out what kind of events and what kind of clientele in your area. Who are the players in the industry? By knowing those things, we can learn about the market and also the competition. It will be a strong path that leads us in the professional MC world. In my other videos that I posted several months ago, I think, I mentioned about sales promotion, also applicable for MC. How? Well, it's just like giving free stuff, like in restaurant or in the consumer goods industry. In this way, you can offer your service as MC at no charge to your friends, to your family. Ask them if they have birthday parties, company events, outings, gatherings. Offer them your service as MC. Make them know your talent. That's sales promotion for MC. It's a good stepping stone as a start, and also like building up our confidence and giving us more stage time that can brush up our performance. All right, there you have it. My tips as an event planner for you who want to be scouted as MC. Allow me to remind you to always be humble, ready to be sponge, learn from everyone. It's very good for us as a person and also strengthen our personality as an MC. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to share it or give it to me. Write it down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video. Have you subscribed to my channel? Thank you very much if you have. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Good luck. Once again, thank you very much. Stay safe, be healthy, and happy.